Hello, this is Eric from Coding Brush. Today, we're going to learn about the software Laragon. Laragon is basically an alternative to WAMP and XAMP in that it allows you to do local web hosting for your local development. Now, when we look at Laragon, we realize that it had different features. But before we can go through all those features, we have to install the software first. So, I've already downloaded the Laragon setup. You double click. Start the installation process. I use English language. Go to next. Install anywhere you want to install it, but I basically use the default. It gives you virtual host, it also adds Notepad++ and a terminal, which is a commander terminal. And you can also make it run when Windows starts. So let's wait for it to finish installing. So now run the Laragon software and it pops up this highlights. You can right click and see through the options. I haven't created any local website to develop. You can create a WordPress app, a Laravel app Symfony. It basically is used for PHP, but it has more to which can be used to do more things. You can change the PHP version, is there. The extensions, Apache version can also be changed. You can use MySQL, use your PHP MySQL, a PHP MyAdmin, sorry, and hide SQL. You also have Node.js. If you come to tools, go to quick add, you realize that you can add other stuff. You can do Ruby, you can do Go, you can do Python, there's MongoDB, you can add Postgres, you can add Mongo. You add a lot of stuff to it to work, but I normally focus on PHP, so we're only going to deal with PHP. So I want to create a new project, so I'll first go to start all. This will allow me to start a new project. Okay, so okay, I just realized I've been talking about the software. I showed you the software, but I didn't show you the website where you could get the software. So in your URL, just type laragon.org. It brings you here. You can see everything that's here about Laragon, which I can attest to. You go to download. There you see a download button. And just download the full version, which is around 120 to 130 megabytes. Okay. Um, so when you run the software, I click start on my Apache and MySQL is working and they're running at the moment. So let's say I want to create a new project. I just come here to click up. I think I'll go with a blank one. So I select blank. Let's give it a name. Test. Okay. So normally what it does is it creates a database for you the name of test. So if I click on database, it opens the session manager for ID SQL. You click open, and as you can see, my database test is there. So if you want to see where your root folder is, like your www, you go to root, it opens up, you see there's a test folder here. So now if I should right click on a Laragon software, go to www and go to test, it should open it up with everything configured for it to start working out of the box. There's no extra configurations. As you can see, there's test of test. This comes about because if you go to the software, go to the top right, you see a cog, preferences. You click on it. As you can see, I can change the host name from whatever as other test, local. You can even use your own name. Or, you can use dev. So it gives you all options here. Generally, I don't touch them. So let's see what we can do. So if we go to the text folder, we can create a new document, name it index.php, and edit it and say then save. I should come back to my browser, reload. It automatically gives me the information I'm looking for, which is my PHP info. There's no Xdebug added. You can add it. If you go to the Laragon website, it's super easy. They give you all the instructions to follow. Yeah. What again? Yeah, you have Node.js available to you. You can access the terminal, which is very great. It comes with Git already installed, so you can check. Has everything in there. It uses Commander for the terminal and Conemu. So let's say cd test. Using the file, so I can get it. See, so you're able to work with it. Other than that, what again? I think that's basically what you need. It allows you to start working on your files and your ideas quickly. There's not much syncing as with XAMP and WAMP, and each folder is a domain by itself. It's already done auto configured, so you don't have to bother with that. Just start up and you're able to build the application. So I think I'll stop here. It's just something brief, something short. And I implore you to try it out. It's very good. It might not be for you, but try it out and see. If you want it, it's a free software, you can use it. If not, keep to what you already have. Thank you.